Alright guys, part 3 of the Hub Silo template demonstration. Okay, so we're waiting for the website to propagate. We've done what we needed to do within WordPress Alpha, and we have installed the SSL certificate as well inside the Cloudways dashboard as well. So everything is waiting for propagation there. So in the meantime, we want to create some content that we can use for the pages that have been created so far in the template. Okay, so in your template you will find that you've got 4 categories that have been redirected to 4 hub pages. Okay, each hub page has got a page already created for a money page or a money post or a cornerstone post, and also it's got 3 support articles that you're going to use to link to your money page. Okay, so I covered that in an earlier video. Don't want to go too much deeper into it again because it just takes up time. So let's come back over now into ChatGPT. Now with this free Chrome extension I've got here inside ChatGPT, it's called AIPRM. It's the best SEO Chrome extension around. Okay, this is very, very good for being able to do specific tasks, and the prompts have already been made. Okay, so for example, what I like to do is I like to start with keyword strategy. Now this website is about WordPress silos, but I want to take it a little bit broader just for the purpose of demonstration on this video. So what you do here for the keyword strategy is you just simply put in the keyword. I'm going to put in here WordPress SEO, and I'll click on that. I'm just going to create a table. It's got keyword cluster, it's got keywords, suggested title, and the search intent, etc. as well. Okay, this is what I call seeding the chat. Okay, or seeding the conversation. Basically you're just building relevancy into the chat so that you can go and ask various things later. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just simply ask it a separate question. Okay, I'm going to say, what is a reverse silo, which is what the hub silo is created around. Okay, it's just one tweak that we've added to that is by making sure that we've got audience building elements on all of the pages. Okay, so that is the most important thing for me, is that we can build an audience so that we can monetize. Okay, so you can see here we've got information about the reverse silo as well. And what I can do just to seed this conversation a little bit further, I can say to it, can you give me some other example WordPress SEO silo structure or alternatives to the reverse silo. Okay, and again just seeding, so it's talking about things like topic clusters, hybrid silos, and it's giving me more information that we can work with. Okay, so what I can do now is I can decide from what I've got between all of this responses so far about the 4 categories I want to create. So I might want to create a category about WordPress silo structures. Okay, so that would be 1, and what I'll do is I'll just bring a notepad over here so that we can work. Okay, I'm just going to put this to make it sticky, and I'll make the background white so that you can see it, and I'll just make the font a little bit bigger as well. If I go into F here and click on that, it makes the font bigger so you can see what I'm writing. Okay, so anyway, what we can do is we can have a look through here and see if there's anything here that we want to use for creating a category. So you can get ideas about getting backlinks or guest posting, etc. But we're looking for category level things. So what I'll do is I'll just create one from top of my head, and we're going to call this WordPress SEO silo structures. Yeah, I do a lot of typos. And we put in here WordPress SEO plugins. Okay, and we can put in something else as well. You can see on-page SEO gets mentioned quite a lot in here, so we'll take on-page SEO, we'll put that in here as well. And don't worry about the different formatting, it's just brainstorming right now. So we've got plugins, on-page SEO, and we've got technical SEO. Okay, so we've got 4 categories straight away. Okay, now what we can do is we can tell it to give us example articles for WordPress SEO silo structures. All I have to do is copy that. Say, can you give me 4 article suggestions for WordPress SEO silo structures. Okay, so that's good, we've got that. Now I can do the same thing. Can you give me 4 article suggestions for WordPress SEO plugins? Okay, now do the same thing again. 4 article suggestions for on-page SEO. Okay, now 4 article suggestions for technical SEO. Okay, so we've seeded this quite well now. We've built a lot of relevancy in here. Now what we can do is we can ask it to write an article for this one. Okay. Please, can you write this article? Okay, so we've got content for the first article, and you just carry on like that. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back when all of this is done. I'm going to get all of this done at one time so that we've got content ready for when the site is propagated.